So I finally got to take the OUXI GT2000 electric dirt bike out for a proper test ride. And honestly, this thing surprised me more than I expected. First impression, this does not feel like a toy. It looks and sits like a real dirt bike. The frame is tall, the tires are chunky, and the suspension actually feels decent for the price range. Now on the road, throttle response is pretty snappy. It pulls hard off the line, especially in the higher assist modes. I'd say it feels closer to a small pit bike than a regular e-bike. On flat ground, I was comfortably cruising around 30-ish mph and it didn't feel strained. But where it really impressed me was off-road. Gravel, grass, and light trails, it just eats that stuff up. The tires grip well and the suspension takes the edge off most bumps. That said, it's not perfect. The handlebars feel a bit cheap, and at higher speeds you do notice some vibration. And yeah, don't expect premium motorcycle level build quality here. But for the price, it's kind of hard to ignore. So the real question, is the OUXI GT2000 worth your money? If you want a budget-friendly electric dirt bike that actually feels fun and powerful, then yeah, it might just be.